Um, well, I can understand that, but baka hindi ba tatamaan ito yung usapin ng transparency, no, yung constitutional duty of any individual, any Filipino, no, to know the extent, no, of how this election process is being made. And pangatlo, I read previously na may mga concerns pa on Miro, especially on how these machines owned by Miro or this system has been used in other countries. No? May allegations of fraud, for example, in Iraq, in Congo, in Africa, I think. No? So were these issues already sufficiently addressed? Dahil, siyempre, this is also the first time. No? If we have a lot of questions how Smartmatic noon, yung mga system ng Smartmatic, na hanggang ngayon, these questions were not yet fully answered, fully addressed, how can we say now that this new service provider